Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try aqua green shirt with white jeans and black boots. Next you can try maroon polo t-shirt with black jeans and black boots. Next you can try beach oversized shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try brown shirt with grey pants and white sneakers. Next you can try multicolor printed shirt with orange pants and green sandals. Next you can try light green t-shirt with navy blue pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white striped shirt with green cargo pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black oversized t-shirt with beach army pattern pants and black boots. Next you can try grey polo t-shirt with black pants and black loafers. Next you can try white t-shirt with white pants and white loafers. Watch this video to know 35 printed shirt outfit ideas.